above that 23,000 mark on the index. So after the touch and go moment yesterday, we've definitely ebbed off from there. Nifty Bank as well, very tempered, very quiet. The mid-cap index just marginally better. Again, you're not really seeing any fireworks. The fireworks, of course, are in the small cap index. That's still higher by about 0.5% as we speak right now. What about Nifty IT? What about Nifty Realty? Are they seeing bigger moves or better moves than what the benchmarks are doing? Marginally. So that's the word on Nifty IT, flat for the Nifty Realty as well. Let's talk individual stocks then. LIC, wherein the Q4 numbers have been largely above estimates. The total APE as well has seen an uptick of about 11%. Look out for that. Nalco as well, highest quarterly EBITDA in about 2 years. So that's another stock which is in the positive. About a 5% gap up is what Nalco has started off the day with. GMDC, TVS Supply Chains, these were all some strong numbers that were coming in. Adani Enterprises, by the way, the board is going to be considering fundraising today, and Adani Energy is also looking to raise about 12,500 crore rupees in equity or QIP or other modes. So these are a bunch of names which are in focus. Not such a great number from NMDC, Borosil Renewable, from a Natco Pharma, wherein the numbers have fallen short of estimates because of Revlimid sales. There's Concord as well. There's AstraZeneca, which has come out with its numbers. Goodyear, wherein their EBITDA is down by about nearly 91% or so. And then IIFL Finance as well, wherein the numbers are now delayed because of the RBI audit. So a bunch of these names are in focus this morning. Want to revisit the high flyers from yesterday though. Let's see what Glenmark, Ashok Leyland, all of them are up to. And then United Spirits as well. After the conference call, JP Morgan has said that FY25 revenue growth is going to be back-ended and targets now a double-digit top line for them. So look out for what that stock does. And that's pretty much it. You're not really seeing any big moves, Kunal. Nothing really that's sort of eye-popping other than a few odd earnings reactions this morning.
Yeah, but I think a few of the names that you mentioned, the metal stocks, the commodity spaces, I think that's something which is coming back into a revival mode. I think 3 days of consistent correction for many of these names, 5% to 10% from their previous swing highs, and it looks like that this was more of a temporary phase of correction. So we need to see many of the stocks in this space could see a follow-through up move. Hindustan Copper, SAIL, NMDC, etc. I think these stocks could probably see much more price action on the upside going forward. But in terms of opening trade, Indian Hotels is something which has started to look very attractive. That's a chart which over the last few weeks had gone through at least a 10% correction from 620, 625 approximately to 550, 570 mark. So I believe that the stock has started to show signs of price volume breakout as well as minor reversals on the indicators. Indian Hotels is something which I would look to trade in the open.
Okay, Indian Hotels, that's the first trade Kunal is punching in. Rudra, what about the first trades that you are beginning to initiate?
See, for me, Concor looks very strong. Available in futures, one can go long. At current market price of around 1,100, 110, I'll be a buyer in Concor. Can expect a move of about 50 to 80 rupees from current level. Keeping a tight stop loss of about 20 rupees from current market price, I'll be a buyer in Concor.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.